Hey cruisers, welcome back to part 2 of our Alaska cruise packing series. In the last episode, we talked about clothing basics and layers for days and nights around the ship and on shore. We'll link to that episode in the description below so you can refresh your memory, and we'll link to a written version of these tips too. So put that notepad away and enjoy. Today we're talking about outerwear for Alaska. We'll keep this simple and short because we want you to hurry up and start your packing list. First up, we love to travel to cooler climates with what we like to call packable puffy jackets. They are warm and cozy and compress beautifully, so they take up very little space in your already crowded Alaska cruise suitcase. You can find them for the whole family at places like Amazon, Costco, or Macy's. We'll link to our favorites in the description. Trust me, we swear by these. They are just the perfect layering piece. We'll talk more about jackets in a moment, but first, we have a fun fact to share with you. One thing that we've noticed about cruises to Alaska is that many people use a baseball cap and a lightweight rain layer in place of an umbrella in Alaska. We rarely see umbrellas in ports. I guess it's just an Alaska thing. Now, if you forget to pack a hat, do not worry. There are tons of souvenir stores in Alaska where you can find hats for every age, style, and price range. And who doesn't want a cool Alaska hat? So, we know that summer cruises in Alaska can be quite rainy or, well, I guess drizzly. You don't want to head off on your cruise to Alaska until you grab a rain layer, preferably with a hood. You can certainly pack that umbrella, but you might stand out a bit. A light rain jacket is perfect. There's no need to purchase something heavily insulated because remember, you're dressing in layers. It's likely that you'll wear a hoodie or a light sweater and a t-shirt under that rain layer. So unless you're planning a very chilly excursion, focus on a lightweight rain jacket. We've got some recommendations for you below. We also like to pack a light winter hat and gloves for cooler days, like glacier viewing days. A cozy neck scarf can also be useful and double as a shawl or wrap for cool evenings on the ship and on the airplane. Now, if you run chilly, these are essentials, especially on glacier days. But if you're someone who runs kind of warm or you just don't want to pack the extra bulk, you can leave the gloves, the scarves, and all that extra stuff at home. Again, you can always buy what you need on the ship or in port. I cannot wait for our 3rd episode on Alaska packing. Next time, we'll be sharing the top accessory and gear items that you need for Alaska. This next one is my favorite topic, so be sure to subscribe and come back. Turn on those notifications. For more information on cruising to Alaska, check out our vlogs and Alaska Cruise Store in the description below. We also offer an Intro to Cruising Masterclass, which includes a packing list just for Alaska. So grab your discount code in the description of this video, and until next time, we'll see you on the high seas.